Wisdom for Tomorrow. Daniel Vision School.
We don't need fitting models anymore. AI made these flawless model shots in under a minute. Wow! Hey everyone, I've got something special today. We're diving A to Z into Google's brand new powerhouse that dropped yesterday, Nano Banana. Why is Nano Banana blowing up right now? It renders text and logos perfectly, down to the last character. It delivers jaw-dropping character consistency. Create a character once, and it'll come back 100% identical every time. That's a real game changer. Wow! And the best part? You can try it free right now in Google AI Studio. First core feature, natural language editing. You can edit images just by talking, no Photoshop needed. Let me show you in Google AI Studio. Go to aistudio.google.com and select the Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview model. Example, create a coffee shop logo. In about 30 seconds, you've got a logo. Now let's edit it. Make the background of this logo look like a window. Done. Instant change. Put this logo on a storefront sign. Perfect. Make one change at a time. If you stack multiple edits in a single prompt, accuracy drops. Second game changer, character consistency. This is huge for e-commerce. You can build full product pages without hiring models. Let's do a quick hands-on. Step 1. Generate a base model. Clean-cut male model in his 20s wearing a white dress shirt. Base shot done. Step 2. Add the hoodie. Drag the model image and a black hoodie image into the prompt box and say, put the hoodie on. Looks like a real fitting. Super natural. Step 3. Swap the bottoms. Drop in the hoodie photo and a denim shorts image. Change the pants to denim shorts. Top stays the same, only the bottom switch. Perfect. Step 4. Add accessories. Model plus a navy cap, put a cap on. Sits naturally on the head. Step 5. Add a bag. Model plus a crossbody bag, make him wear the bag. And just like that, a complete look in under 5 minutes. No photo shoot required. Now for something wild, turning 2D art into 3D figures. You can turn your character or logo into a dimensional figure. Live demo. Upload a flat mascot image. Convert this character into a 3D figure style. Boom, instant depth. Place this figure naturally on a desk. You even get realistic shadows. Stand the figure on the desk and put a figure box behind it. Now it looks like a real display with packaging. Finish with a glossy coat, visible light reflections. It shines like an actual figure. With this, you can preview merch before production, mock up concepts for 3D printing, or even build an NFT collection. Now it's your turn. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe with notifications for more AI tool tutorials. Tell me in the comments what you want to make next. I'll build it in an upcoming video. See you in the next one. Bye!